Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this black smoky eye for you that's perfect for Valentine's, date night, or whenever you just want to feel sexy and sultry. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. So we're starting off with the eyes already primed, and we're going in with that first shade, and we're using that as our transition color. And it's like a light brown. And for a smoky eye, you do need a lot of different transition shades just to make the transition flawless. And then I'm going in with this more like, it looks like a medium brown, but it's more pink. And I'm placing that on my crease as well, and then blending that out. And I'm going more for like a pinky crease since this is a Valentine's look. Taking that first fluffy brush we used with no additional product, I'm just blending everything out. Now going in with this pinky red color, I'm placing that lower in my crease. This color is coming off a little more like orange, but it is more pinky in person. So the key to the smoky eye is just to keep blending and blending. So this look does take a while just because there's so much blending involved. Now going in with this chocolate brown color, I'm placing that in our lower crease, and this is just gonna help transition the black up to the pink because we are going to place black in our crease. I don't mean the black's going directly in the crease, it's just we're going to place some very low into the crease just to help fade into the pink. Going into my Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm taking Obsidian, which is the black in there, and placing that a little on top of the chocolate brown we just placed, and blending this out. And this did look a little patchy, but as I keep blending it, it does like work out for me. But it does look patchy. I know it looks a little patchy. And just going back into those two crease colors to help blend out the black. For our base, we're using the Essence Gel Liner on a flat synthetic brush, and we're focusing that closest to our lash line and working it up. You want to focus it closest to the lash line because we don't want any skin showing. So yeah, just focus it there and work it up as you're blending. This step, and also once I applied the black shadow over, took the longest just because there's so much blending involved. So remember, you can't do this look in a rush, or if you're in a rush, because it takes time. Right here, I think I took a little more of that chocolate brown just to help blend the edges, and it kind of didn't work out for me. But then I go back and add some more black. I probably blended for a total of like 7 minutes, just going back and forth, blending, adding more black, blending, adding more black. So you want to start off with very little shadow, and then just work your way up. So once I got it to the desired blend, I did go ahead and complete the other eye, but now I am tight lining the top lash line, and this is a perfect step since we don't want any skin to show. And then we'll be applying some lashes, but before we do that, I am gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And today's lashes are by Shop Lux Lashes in the style A05. I do have a link down below if you want to try out these lashes and purchase them. They are great quality for a great price. I've used them a few times and so far they've held up really nicely. Some bands are a little thicker, so just be careful if you're a beginner with lashes, but I definitely recommend these lashes. So after you apply the lashes, you're gonna curl your falsies and your natural lashes together. But I did notice when I was done that you can see the lash band. If you do have that problem, just go ahead and apply some liquid liner on top just to cover the shininess. Now to start the lower lash line, I'm taking the pinky brown color. And then taking my Essence pencil liner, I'm going to place that about halfway into the lower lash line and a little bit like on my lashes. And then I'm just going to blend that out with the pinky red color. And then a little bit of black after. Just in the outer corner of the lower lash line, that's where we're going to apply the black. And you do want to take your time on this part too, just because you are using black. But yeah, so once you're done with that, I am removing the baking powder and then just applying some face highlight. And this is the Flower Beauty highlight. Now to finish the eye look, we're just applying some mascara to our bottom lashes. So that completes today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!